In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, click on More Connections, select Printing, and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. If it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to manage this service, you can tap on this switcher next to it to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!